your mama uti do she say ai kwie your mama autocratic and I no kure your mama and selfish reason to know chief justice no oni boni bia Sammy Gyamfi wa fusa de ye huto NDC for na jimini ntina omo believe Kwasia mpanyin ti se Kevin Taylor na mu nyina selfish people mpanyin bia ni wiase a all person obo school a odwene omo twe ho original misinformation Kwasia uni chance no pack of anto akobo ho bia se Mahama nchepa
ebusa concerning Chief Justice Mahama pese oyine dia enra no MPP for any other political parties ebe a demonstration against that now. Twene Jonas abetre na adwon ewo ho. Twene Jonas echirim say Mahama boni abu Mahama trim ope boni edi. Enti na opeso yi Chief Justice efiri no okacha Ghana for say maye ntwema Mahama. Maye ntwema no ema ni Chief Justice enfiri no for NDC ni ema. Ose maye ntwema no obefa ya Mahama pack Canada say Mahama selfish mind. Na obekaya pardon Mahama ebeche ya Twene Jonas eri nkan baye Canada nchire no. Wasa babiem for the next time awo chirim say Mahama ye mistake. Say obabi emenses tofa ho one day pe kora ni kurum ha de Mahama beche ama ono Twene Jonas na ayam na Kevin Taylor de Twene Jonas edina hohoro toilet wodi na twi toilet so no asa expose Ibrahim Mahama say oni Mahama nyina ye boni bia Ghana for ye very careful aha Penyah block media meso say ni dim obe like video now down obe subscribe button and subscribe click the notification icon for latest update na ba kire wa adwon da mama wo comment section meso so baswa. I've been giving you videos back to back concerning the removal of the Chief Justice. Right Justice Gertrude talk no. Mahama pese oyini free. I've been explaining to you the entire Mahama pese oyini free on. Now reason ya just say omujina so ede in free on no. Sammy Gyamfi ko make he post e Facebook and that's my check by na esere. O chere we say Chief Justice edit state money. A fly nukun ekwa amanene a fly ne ba ekwa outside eti ano no de ye nyina so emfanyi Chief Justice de free eyede na Sammy Gyamfi unu say according to a Chief Justice mu a ede ni kunu ne ba tu no state esika ne ti ni kunu onye adwuma ma mi onye adwuma it's because of all this enra MPP together with the other political parties in Ghana a demonstration against that.
Our affirmative bill. Actually, say, your Baba to me, I am a Berman Subet me. I it is your Chief Justice. Berman Suye Bay, it may you about name for Berman Mamma. And only anti us here. Open it, near John Dramani Mahama, Ayano, and Yaniquemu, and answer because Wamaya a constitutional on the Council of Elders, I could home, and a Council of Elders, Amana, coin, so bet to me, I suspended some petition beer, Abaton Apnoso. What do you want to say? Papa, may a Christian in the Bible say, Yawan in our coin, and so Yanyaman in a fataye. Ampa constitution nipa na chro di ma nipa ana constitution bia ne mrako even Supreme Court ko wudi asama on the agento anu nti constitution na o kan say Chief Justice na ya ade bia yesusu say ebro nyanka so pani ya momfa ne nko president ade that's the petition na petition we are yemfa Council of State dream no who sanya why ne bone a afede yemfa ne ma say team no na petition na ba na petition ne mun sem no ye nim ne wom as we speak now but president I too want am mo me da asiminia wo ye journalist man ye ho say onua no ne nse no kware na mo nya me pe ne say bra Sammy Gyamfi no Sammy Gyamfi oya president no minister and I say gold board chair or the abeto ni Facebook say nyamaame na ya ne de bone pa de nti na ode ne ma ene ni kuntu kwan me na me de beto ho ana okay aya Kwasia fosu our Flagstaff Minister of Information or Communication ono so de abeto say maame de kwan bia so asi ejeli no me na me kan na say ono na eka enu nti we nyina kyerese asem na wetutu na basa na ne wetusu anso person ha maame no enu nti na atwa me nsama me say hands off the bench President Mahama onya lawyer enti onyi ne nsam free bench ne so adentia constitution na so constitution na ma President Mahama be ye president say constitution anso na ma chief justice tokonu aye chief justice adentia na opesa wo say wo de minua me ha wo mre ba fa
na eno no ana Twene Jonas abetra jo Twene Jonas echirim say dear Mahama ni abere nyina eye for the selfish interest bonni na ba Mahama trimu edi no pese oyi chief justice efiri hono mo
John Mahama autocratic and no kure John Mahama ni selfish reason to know chief justice what you say don't get me wrong warm up judgment fairly judgment because there is no favoritism here changing now John Mahama on chief justice for John Mahama na selfish reason for NDC for selfish reason so I say chief justice na ko di boni bi and ye na that one makes sense and no kura nya man panyin na de ne power say ma suspend no so the man panyin de power ye ne say nipa kum nipa me power hanti omo down to say the boko for akum police ni up to now man panyin na failing adwuma as the nation protector, as the nation defender, as the nation who owner of the nation who enforce the law. Man payina failing a juma. Eti the omnina say Chief Justice no oni boni bia boni ai Sammy Gyamfi wa fusa de Sammy Gyamfi wa fusa de ye huto wafusa de yahu to frema 4 years ago no wafu ye flat 3 years ago no wafu ye flat enwa ya maban bai wafu ayetokwe e ban se wafu peja na anu ya maban bai e ban se awanya koshoko the same reason oh nsuona no aye de ma menyina ba bi na warm up ne role oh, mami nyina baby na me catch us stop here be a glass in Kuan. Mami nyina baby. Obviously right now you don't get you don't pass 100 views. Jimmy, the whole Ghana me a popular channel be a. What you say? And the registration be a damn page no so no. And my bad life me 1 view be a 100 1k no. And two seven 100 HSA me wo ayi no me wo 2000k and untina me nka say we na duro 100,000 200,000 no omo moto views number omo nam 1k 10k 20k no omo be kasa 100 years ko omo ntiminya 1 million views da ba me kasa wo de warm up we si wi a bra na be views egu ase aboa na fa compare bloggers e o Ghana nyina so obi anya half of their views and go be friend who superstar ko Jimmy the whole Ghana me na me popular. Twene Jonas is popular than anybody. That is hands down. Chief Justice cases somebody aboni nyina ayem Kwasia cases. Oh maame no ode ne ma I NDC for this is Kevin Taylor Buan say I woman no nam or no or do be Ghana ni nyina yem Kwasia keka NDC for na Jimmy ntina or mo believe Kwasia pay ni say Kevin Taylor na me catch us every 1 minute be around for na munyamisha broni tieri amechi ono NDC for na Jimmy ntina mo believe say Kwasia seminar nani to say Kevin Taylor catch them baby sitter to say Kevin Taylor babysitter. Now me catch you say so na no I dey ultimate na antenna cars no so yede. But anyways, I keep friend do go to subscribe obi anko Twene Jonas TV no subscribe say be had the comment by me on my body. Also when they start to benefit from you from the bad economy, their bellies grow big and pot belly. It's a punishment. Yes, I keep friend do go na kind of it's a punishment. Oh, I na make no Kwasia Penyah to say your friend Sammy Gyamfi I bet now on Chief Justice no or the a bicycle afro private jet and now the afro jet or the afro plane and then was sponsor ne kunu ene ne ma e de oma kwa brochire Kwasia wan ye ahwehwema de a opepa ne nsakwa wan na de ne nsabe yi ewo na ewo ne ba on tafre na odi ewo ne bekwa kofa atekem na me catch you say heavy na mu na ka bi enhia ne onko kwan bi awa bi awa we na me sha broni Canada man time or subscriber also keep the fire burning. Thank you, I appreciate you. Shout out to all my subscribers. So be anko Twene Jonas TV no onko subscriber. Why na yet? So obviously I gift me your BMW, go and subscribe and I'll see maybe I'll gift you one of my BMWs. Of course I can do that. Why na yet I dia. Why na yi ewo no de nsa. Ebe kwa kweren. Ebe kwa ko chichi fom. Your mama Kwasia Penyah ni oba e first day no oba e na no de ne ba. Ma kontan your friends em refini di no. Boy no kula friends en order ne batten na private jet mi. Kwasia when na suspend no. Your mama Kwasia Penyah ni or the taxpayers money. Etia Kevin Taylor boyka e ma ni di nkofo atem when na suspend no. And the Chief Justice the taxpayers money and in the ni kula to kwan a o say I know the me ko suspend but your mama the taxpayers money and the necessary man na gu presidential jet im dia I know the yen suspend no when Kwasia mre we dia mu di ma me na yen Kwasia sem say yen no ko wieska ti se kinofurata na motata na nyansa wo opa mu nkwachi kinofurata mu the energy na mu di ma me na chi no mo fani kinofurata chi na mo nche no na mo nyiska no eno de obi abeka bia ma mo ba obi onye hwe na ona me ne ba bi chinchini a mo pese mo kofa ndc ni ene ne ba Chief Justice nti jimi nko ada bia na ai na the confusion but because of more selfish reason because of more selfish reason mu nyina selfish people wow ma ba mo esem concentrate here 24-hour economy no eno na ye mo number 1 goal mo number 1 policy enti mo concentrate na ma judges for na sem enye mampanyiri in the Chief Justice a judicial what I say your arms of government your legislature your judicial your so many into bia e won life my judges for na emra meka se omo mpem ame no na judges for na for obi mra enye Mahama na de ne power no fa ko boko na ko stop awudi for no nyasa in the history of Ghana onko ani mampanyina wagimi a waban so enipa kum nipa ko free e bin sida o man bia ni wa mampanyini tina o say Kwasia bi tina boko nku police ni na oni di emen onfro camera kuma se nkomra na yentime nche nfa no kokko to ya boa o mampanyini se ano ya Kwasia everyone meant to be aban basina akia friend ko to say it's raining at your end please go sit inside don't get cold yeah it's getting very cold but bibinia Jimmy do ntina me fans you no abegina mo so ama ya chi Jimmy no so kakra because Jimmy ni too much so and the demonstration mo ye nyina Mahama fault wa ba mo nyina mo wieska mo Kevin Taylor boy taxpayers money na dia be TV ama no why na abeka say ye suspend ojo Mahama oni Ibrahim Mahama Kwasia fomielu the same thing a Chief Justice ye no ana mo so mo ye enti kwa do ade body pa no eno ha bi na wo ye what is the difference ojo Mahama taxpayers money na hell the same way na Chief Justice taxpayers money na hell no enti say eye na nka we innocent on taxpayers money sisa o man go private jet for mon vacation ni bi ena Chief Justice nko ana ya eno it makes sense but dia wa wo ye no wo se eno ye kwadu amede bo obi a wo ya boa akia friend to go to I see the NDC oral is not oral yes but there says mo de say you know ekwachi mo de ta mampanyini de sa power no hantik kinoforiata no agigi nkukurafo sika wi ayi na de amomo no what is anti kinofuata na esika wa wi anyina de adwane kono makwaje. That makes sense. That is the real definition of a leader. But a leader all force abusive system na hyehyɛ mmra abra constitution no Akufo-Addo ya niti pasekwe wudi ni by one force and hyehyɛ mmra foforo. So and he say oh no the be favor no nya is and nya selfish now. Canada man so what you are doing to support Ibrahim, president of Burkina. And I make sure sentina ya na me ho omoye mahino. President of Burkina no oniminyansa edin awaje nyina anya se aiku awoye yentia ga Africa malifo aiku we ma anya no nti omo nyina soja fo na di so. But what makes Burkina Faso unique ni say oni podane kromo but otimi ahunyansa atwe mfidie afa Ghana na yewo epone da ho no abefa Ghana oboda na mu di aba besia kogu Burkina ho build proper road system, proper road network, obie nyuma ma youth or depending on Kwasi Broni bia, because Africa don't need to depend on anybody. We have food, men and now class. Now for many years, ya unkotohe ye kwa fuma di ni ane ba manke board there. We have everything. Ye ko sensuo ni abenu aduane ni adi ni fidi echi akrantie ntosuo afuomu ojene wa afuomu. We don't need nothing. In Africa, we don't need Kwasi Broni hwe. Every 1 minute bi abai wasem. But the mpanifo na jiminti. Anam ombesua nyansa te se Burkina mampanyini. No mo to gold no. What I say no mo akoton anya sika no da bi o ma jimi. Every 1 minute bi abai wasem. No mo the gold na kwasika mu. No mo akwaji sika popotwa bi. Na China ni na aba no say yensuo. No I China ni na yeye okoka. No mu dwiri Ghana koko tugu no mu enti ebasa obia mu anu ntina Burkina ni no wapam China fo nyina mo ko wapam France wapam obia timba na e Burkina ono na etwa diamond no na air strate enti wo beto bia ne price ni e won to amfa no ho enti wa wo beba beto no no aton ama wo enti he is a man enye a man to say John Mahama mo da bia IMF no mu di achi ti say Akufo-Addo mo agimi fo mienu. No, almost Sambroni, the owner of the resources. You don't have to beg. What I say, you are the most powerful person on earth. You got any and everything. What I say, but still, Modi Majimi, and Timajimi into Obia Mumuno, and to no, the whole world will be respected that mind. Burkina Faso, you say, or no Kwani African leader, why are they? What decided say? He will monetize all the resources the country have. He will make sure all the people in the country will live a better life. That is a real definition of a true leader.
Twene Jonas enkasa nto aso no ana parties nsem ye party ya ma ba che ya e wan sa be da dwa media no so no party ya Twene Jonas abage kanaya kire Mahama na emu no Kevin Taylor enya mescall Twene Jonas afia Kevin Taylor pay ama enframa ne kura bia kofa Ibrahim Mahama ho.
Does that make sense to you? If you are trying to go to us, you are right. Ibrahim has got sense and wisdom behind the military uniform. And on that is the difference between him and all African leaders. And when international recognition, but the way he is sensible. To say John Mahama say waba na boku niya buatani kwa siampanyi what the Russian is no communipa na mampanyine no eya ofe enti ontime nka ho asem up to now yaku police ni for more than 2 months aya foolish case enti in the leadership of NDC will be team the Russian isem communipa ko free. You are useless as a leader. You are not a leader. You are sensible. You are senseless leader. So anti I know na sa normal way na say NDC omo concentrate no mo jai say ye be force achinchim Ghana law to favor us. And no yes sir cool na de be ba oman because oh yes sir you are abusing the system. Adena because am nkroma mo omo no magimi JJ Rollins mo no magimi Kufuor mo no magimi Atamis mo no magimi unkwa na we selfish over force we use autocratic power. ASF also say judicial system because ai ebia obi kokum nipa judges no mo no om de mra be di intimacy sa NDC for judge abegu nti yekum nipa e foolish case ti said ye you hu na aboa ntimi nkwachi criminal oku police ni oboko no wow because judges no mo no om ntwema NDC for no enso so bone so enti ene e mfeba om nti ese om ya no mo di ya say constitution oh yes sir you are not doing yourself good, you are doing yourself harm. Akia friend do quote to say the wisdom makes Ibrahim unique. Yes, I don't know Twene Jonas warm up. The entire I am undefeatable. They say number 1 NDC ni BSika. To Jimmy Amenfayano. Number 2 many MPP ni BSika or Jimmy Amenfayano. Wa be ya the panma be presume. Your mama buy say anya so ya Kwasia. Anya so ya Kwasia wa Jimmy. And or didn't Kwasia ko born ne ba na abuwa no Kevin Taylor pa say omna medada NDC for so be deport me en kan na oba ya o te petrol so en kan me na me hype na ma obi awu si wa te petrol so anya me na me ka kran ka onim se onim oba ya dollar aba for me na me be hype o but we Jimmy nti what the Jimmy abopa say oh Twene Jonas kind of correct en ti say ya nkwa nkotata Twene Jonas a ye be di boni a on ti ase ma enti ni entata Twene Jonas. Now we yes na you are not doing yourself good because me obi ameto aba mame and na waboa no onye obi a ojimi kura me bopa ma obi akompo no oba bi ote no a foolish case so nti se wo waboa ne pa se omra no medi Twene Jonas atem no number 1 a mistake kese and the funny thing is the almighty Twene Jonas no me huge NDC for guso MPP for guso nyina gu ha mutie no kre na waboa na NDC for nkwantie no na Ghana for nyina na ekoto aba no enti omo na me na me kura the Ghana population no me wo the wide population no ye ma meden bo attack ma me so because we yes a woni nyansa ti le me cho no because boy no one na mo me di down to say mo am friend so mo me di no one threat me boy no suro me obi Ghana be suro Twene Jonas obi anim say obekame am defeat no there is nothing can defeat no kre ade bia ni wiase defeat no kre what you say na me catch yourself every na me sha broni and to bekame a no kre be there di me mete America wo mete the greatest city of all time New York City baby any every na no glass in point so atogu form and so me dey hu say Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama the pad akoye sacrifice agusu beku Ghana for ma eye mo enemies na mo di Jimmy akobo pa no omo na be ka tell me say mo akoye dem mo de sacrifice mo beku Ghana for ma every 1 minute dia aban wa sinam enti membra na me fa metum because mo ne Ibrahim Mahama sika bebreba amanya no ensomo chinchini am beku Ghana for ma enti mo de pa de be hye omo twem na mo di iron modi aba be yeska duro sacrifice abeku omo enka me da hu about makobo pan nti da bia mo nem case be bra me enka me nim se mo chepado don emro me ntika na ho eye mo enemies na frɛ me say mo chepad na ade no so de kwa adwindwini ma it makes sense say mampanyini adan na wonkwa school mo onko kan kire o say oh me be say me boa school for onkura nti me mo core subject and I'm elective subject no books na kiwola approaches ne boarding enti mampanyini mafa ne kanyina nti obi abeko school na bra on to book that makes sense but say mampanyini badwini twa ho to the sense say me kura no nye nkofo na frame ka kire me anka minim say minim pad no minim an crow omo frame oh Mr Pad na me say why ni Mr Pad omo say oh Mahama esi ani divo fro say wo de man no Mr Pad na me say adan omo say oh sesi ade omo akọ abosomfo ho akọje sacrifice am ne ba be ku Ghana for ma ya omo de yale ebegu omo twem won ena omo be ka kire me se fa betum fast because mo ni mo Jimmy abopa nti mo ko di boni bia ma be ka kire me sa na wo man ri Twene Jonas metie ano the all mine nyina look up to me nti boni a wo bedi no omo be ka kire me nti na oti wa me nkobo pa ma ha because the American o mine nyina etie tie ya me cho no enti the first say mo hunyansa amfa books anko na etwe ho asem na mo dwene no eche se ye no kre mo adwem monitor akire mo ye sacrifice ntia nya san ka obi batwem etumoja ye da fa mampanyini eho obi batwe ebeti nsu a eye dan mampanyini adwoma ma Kwasia mpanyini hwan na abeka acho se ne bat classroom a na twem utunsuo enti papa de bre no da bi obi ankan but obi awofo obi ase mintimi nto books o mintimi nto pen mintimi nto one na meche no enti you can supply the materials for the students so they can learn. Akia friend do go to say the part wahala is about is all about issuing contract to their party friends. And I make sure aside that you know almost omo dey to me bi ahade no sakawa na Ibrahim Mahama selfish says how na omo koke na omo dey besi omo load no entim for the okoka ya na omo say omo koche na omo dey America koche obi akum nipa mu ntime nkoche no ba Ibrahim Mahama jet abesi wa load koke oni jo Mahama load koke ne de mu dey America koche no won na ma hino but boku ni aboa wa kum nipa na crime kese no mu ntime nkoche no mo kro no amobo a obi si mo bokro no ne de e ho de ne ne be kwa koche no because enye no kure say mu ana mu load koke na why na betimi ne pe Abelande airport e wo Ghana bra wonye permission free government why impossible before say unra airport no you have to pass through what I say immigration no e Ghana mampanyin ne control till ya meche no opo airport authorities e Ghana mampanyin ne control enti obi antimi mfa ne pemfa ni private ni plane mesi wo for 5 days empale koku mum non stop parking wo abra Ghana soldiers na egu airport wo no omunya we Ghana police Ghana immigration Ghana ayiwan omunya we enti se omu etna ho police fo nyina ahwe amanipa kro park koku kwa e kire se aban na ye se exercise no tiria mecho because all these people are mentioned they are working for Mahama omunya ho am omunya DC fo enti se u koku ni u lodu koku ni e ka eno de ho de ne obeche no but criminal on nanti free Lucas in Kwasia same say na me catch us every 1 minute be aban machine enti I'll take them into opposition until say ombe hunyansa say let's forget about say yebe go after or innocent people na yen concentrate on say yebe go after criminals ni yen concentrate 24-hour economy your policies ni yen no ho adwuma obi asoma obi ase onfa pad measure ne batwem enti mo fan supply books books a contractor books no and also a contract if you go and print books for the student it's a huge contract and no nebema omanya education omanya book akenkan na omadwema bie dan say wo dwene twa ho no na Kwasia be ma original class wo de ono a on use pad no ono so what are the government helping him for a government ntimi nkoboa oba no anya be ma ho you have to help everybody equally omunyina ka obom ne koto abama ho ntidi ntina atwa ho nko na modwene Kwasia for stupid people wow enti when what oba bi no asuma dwo wo si da bi me problem me be kan de almighty Twene Jonas ntokwa wuntimi nko aboa yi na me dey mu top no ote watimi abe defend mo every day since mode original misinformation Kwasia uni chance ro pa ko fan to akobo hu bia se Mahama nchepa every 1 minute bia by mass na Kwasia omo on chepa dan ko be ka che ya di school for headmaster for na frame say Mahama de pada ba abre omo pe chok omo pe nkonwa atena so omo nya bi enti say eno sa no ma na ye very very fundamental no ehu hia mampanyini na obi ba twem betu moja obi ba twem betinsuo na hia mampanyini na so who said there is agenda behind the entire the pad in nearby because if you want mampanyini bi ani wiase a all person oboa school for odwene omotwe ho mampanyini bi ani ho o person oboa school for odwene akonwa papa ombetena so school car omde beko school odwene enuane papa ombedie odwene quality level of education books papa any syllabus papa eno na mampanyini dwene ho obi ba twe ho asem enye mampanyina asem obi o school mu no ye kote boto a enye mampanyina asem obi ba twe emu abai kura enye mampanyina asem obi ba twe tokuro ni ma mfa mampanyina ho that is not your job and the only fact say mudi pad ne ko ye na headmaster for ne frame se pad no man panyini no kura no nko ne ne kan se nko ma sika na nkura na nkoto but enam ade a mo de ahya ade no mo mpese om de bre nkura ne nti chinchini a omo abe supply pad no Mahama pad we an awudifo enti jo mama nkura ne start wu e man start na omo twemu tinsuo ana etumoja ana emo start free omo twemu ba me blemu and I'll deal with you me kan okura kire ntuni ma for dwene sianyansa u becha pad chinchini a atwa na abadwene a for sika koma man say omo ankoto pad no store enko supply a pad mom obi anim de odi abehjem NDC for magu class or MPP for magu class or who are enemies and the MPP ni your enemy ntino gina ho a o nani abere a onya okro betu hwene free one enti ne ba on pepad wo emfa nkoma no fasika ko no mo ankoto ade no na munya ise bibia mu yawudifo sacrifice mu de wi ase kwan ana bosoma o ma mu odada mu so ne ma mu power no o ma mu wi ni ye no ono si ohia moja enti mu mekum nipa ma na de kwasiafo me na ma mu wi ni o me na mka kire Ghana for so mu nto abama de America na omutie o waboa no kwasia no NDC for boys ejimi for no nko an gu omutie no Twene Jonas platform is dedicated to Ghanaians. And there is this warm up. Warm up is purposely for Ghanaians. And it's for the truth, based on the truth. We are the Pamela Beka, even though some Jimmy Amakobo pay, Mote dollars in American. Banya Jimmy Amodi Jimmy Kobo pa, and come be hype more. But my Jimmy Timmy hype free must there be a Jimmy Koteska, Kevin Taylor boy. Ama, what the mother to a man, Ama there be Ama fire, your mama, Utido, she said, I create. Go Jimmy, 221 I mean what I'm no pejo mama was where Jimmy to Afra Boy. As a man say, on farmer to a man, you are poor, your mama, who knew Ibrahim mama, a Jimmy for me, the entire Mamma Chamu cool line say Ibrahim mama no upon the coke and no man, no man, a yaw boy here for no, if you had the man here, go on a cobuano, and Luntina Media Mam low cost no, yes, and come about fire serious. Next time, na me must set example me timba bi Kwasia bi mfa ni Jimmy enkobo pa fa obabo pa fa fu fan chen na ha no de fa ha every day metimi dey abre back to back sa who scam we bi chen me twa me bedroom kire mu hu ska guo se ska ni na Ibrahim Mahama hu bi da opa home challenge ni show your bank account who scam we bi chen me ne bigate mu na nam Trump mu ni om na tie kira me nsuro mo Elon Musk mo me nsuro mo many of them committee make come against them. How much more than a full more sikani a joke what mammy? You are just a jack. And whatever it is you think you got, I got more than you. I can't fairly look at you. I say I thought they were going to be build a small factory to produce their own part, but not to export it. I'm export no more the mama China phobia na your own and India phobia. And omode yesi omode ai tumi bi akohema se akran de pad ne bo a acha 2-3 years na team na okọ wahu yale no friend sa na Mahama ni ani nyesika mo selfish people ntimu be community pa for mo selfish akọ abama mu be nya taxpayers money we free chinchini a ensumudi mu be say community pa ka ho agimefo me to ana omode ade ne blame say oh masa the Mahama any the and to be day the top already no medical what omo aba say fire omo and to say na ba men coming who so be chepade da omo na be catch them teacher for any school for now. Wow, they need books to teach the children. They don't need no pad. Obi ba obetimi akote I toilet roll kura their family chain ni emunsu entimente entra ne draws mebu ne na ho ana classroom ho. Into here pad and here school book elective Akiola books textbooks or here science textbooks or here I social studies books or here geography or here I chemistry books and no na boarding and no na government supposed to bring it down and I say on farm free. That is what they need to be able to proceed their education. They don't need say man penny to one or obi ba twa ho asem there be anti Penyah out to Pento 20 a church salmon, Madrid Chahusa, because I won't unit Chahua. And the end of about Tim Salmon for pardon, Comma, or more schools on Francatomo Journey. Anti John Mahama, aka alias Mr. Padman, Shiansan, what Jimmy. I can't find to go to a subscriber, be uncle Twene Jonas TV, non subscriber. Say, I heard we even use plantain skin to produce organic pad. Wow, when I can't find to go cano. Woman, I am mammy, minima the Cromina, your mama, pad, ya, on the catcher, me grant, minima the crab pad in here. Wow, minima, Sammy, a bear, minima the crow. One am a channel because and I'm a mini girl on Timinimshi from man. The minima I say, or more cycle monthly tenor a baba. I don't know, say, the idea be 10 year friend apart. And to me, enemies now, I this if enemies na friend catch them said, yeah, Uja for the other to know, and Tinami and send on the videos. Or move video or more chairman crown school. Ibrahim, Bema crown on my command party. Kwasia Sema Kwaso Kofi and fan command sister. One Jimmy and Timono, Ediana Moy channel. Anti Muku and Manu Skumasa Kumema and Animal Munio movie. What kind of useless man is that? Wow. So, Missiko Kunales, you are no Muludono. A Jomama Modia, Obian Wobetim, Ako Airport, a joke. And Untina, even wow, took Ukra luggage. Mamunko Bruchedano. Ukra bag, Ukra Brucheno. O bag and ye do D. A tag, a bohon. And Tibagi Kekeno. And she said, obedient a plane, I bet you will load Kokuno. I besina any pakra Kokunian dia, plain any dia, do you see one? I am painting an exercise. And Untia, and the police phoning him, the pakra Kokunian dia. Immigration phone him, the pakro, but Omunim said, your mama and Ibrahim, Mama, and Tom Timeka. What I say, and it won't to find that here, Metron, Obian Timura Airport. Abra on process it on for checks send number one before so be rubber beer when you plane or our airport one you have to go through the immigration checkups no almost scan your passport and no visa and make sure say be correct and sana yama kwan am wura first gate so enti enya de say eti say that store be esiwa supermarket abowura man no akowura na wo ye de opo that be a process of security. Oh, gate 1, gate 2, gate 3. And sana, and sana even old luggage, crab bag in your mouth and co. And no for different gate. One we are making any airport, and yes, a obiton, a jumbia bio, no be a bow. And no, I parking in normal or the bag him no be anymore. That be into bag in our day corner. I was say. Ye see machine so say nku ana liquid bi kura o ma ese yi wade de ma wo won we me che no nti enye say enye mo amuntu kwan da na ma adwen say the NDC for ne kan ye no kura no omo boa omo ya kronfo enti sa akua friend go to say we subscribe obi an ko Twene Jonas TV non ko subscribe o say greetings to all the loyal fans of Twene Jonas fan page. First Ghana first, thank you. I appreciate you. I send it 200 stars. Obi I send it. Why be send star baby? I'm a body. Obi I Twene Jonas TV non ko subscribe. Say be the comment by me when can. Yes, Ghana first or mine first. Ghana yeah Obi I on turn. Sa na tie ye nyina Ghana yeah Obi I on turn or mine Ghana first. So enti nipa wa jimi nko an bebo pa say oh me kobo pa say obi nko attack Twene Jonas mama enti the worst mistake NDC made aye Kwasia de omo ye enti demonstration na ekono me support to MPP for no demonstration no because the Joma me na Kwasia sem you can use your autocratic power to suspend Chief Justice abra judges for na ankasa emeka so mumpeno NDC ni wabanya ba wo se me de mepe akwa suspend the Chief Justice we say you are breaking the laws but obi kum obi oboko no now do pay abawura kum no akwachi criminal na akotum eno ne e kire se we mampanyin won ɛno na ɛyɛ wo job by judicial you know ugya o masɛmɔ and finally no judges for natnas ya mo atusu nipa mo pɛ no no mo de aba o president no anim na wa yɛ de wa di bi so mo bio o yɛ sure say we na mo pɛ no was a pain almost a pain was okay fine and you must stamp so but say judge no judges no obi a on a level of at the same time na Akufo Addo te so no ako say oko parliament ako kire di abamba benye meanwhile parliament no omo so rules one na me channel and to obi a on heretical will be on a level of governance and timampanyini na wo no wo pese untafia judges no e chese wo pese wo mo no wo de fie bi show mumu and obi di bone kra na wo NDC ni a ntimi fa no court because judge bi asuro say okoka asema amampanyini be yi na di won chimi we say you are not building a nation everyone need to be abide by I can't find to go to say they should fix Ghana so we can all enjoy some peace hands. Yes, and I make you say until we are sao ebema nipa boni ni bia kodi boni a o kwa chene pe say o mi NDC ni tiam ko ba bia wow criminal bia di boni a o mi NDC ni am ko ba bia because Jimmy Adwoma ma be yiwadi enti jeri NDC ni a criminal ni na court a o nsuro because o mo kwa judge si slow because NDC ni na ba judge no nim na se wani in favor of NDC ni Adwoma ma be di na di yan chichiri krosa say yan MBB for na aba power na musu Jimmy say kamera beka mo amudi adanse ye enti say Adwoma ma aba power na no nsu Jimmy ameba beka because charges amode bo ni nyina no abi na mo nyina mo ye oh for the state fund as sponsor ni kunu Kwasia John Mahama anya ni kunu ne Kevin Taylor anya ne yere ne Kevin Taylor otua TV station ma no eto aduane ma Kevin Taylor ne yere ne ma hwan sika taxpayers money every 1 minute bi ya ba sinam no why not suspend your mama and these bloggers omugu amudi atem nyina your mama na sponsor omo why not suspend no why not suspend no why not suspending your mama? Enti mampanyini de e wo se wo ye dan wo concentrate on
African?
Yeah, I'm African. Yeah, I'm from Ghana.
From Ghana?
Yeah, I'm doing a video. Yeah, say hi to them.
Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, hi.
Where are you from?
Dominican Republic.
Oh, Dominican Republic. Okay, that's nice, brother. Yeah, I'm from Ghana. I do videos and say hi.
Let me.
Yeah. What you say?
No, I have a friend. He like.
You have a friend. He's from where?
No, he's from DR too.
DR too. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Mi hermano Dani, mira.
Yeah.
Aquí me encontré con un hermano de
Yeah, Ghana, straight up. Yes, Ghana. Yeah. Africa, yeah.
West Africa?
Yeah, West Africa. Yeah, West Africa, Ghana. Yeah, shout out to all Dominican Republic people. We love you. We are all brothers and sisters, okay? All right, brother. Have a good day. Yeah, I see you. All right. I'm sorry, my brother. Yeah, of course, you know what it is. I'm your friend to go to. I say, yeah, hello from Germany. Yeah, I told him hello from Germany. Yeah, shout out to all my subscribers. So, we are Twene Jonas TV. No go. Ubaso anu share no kwe to say that be amoye no. Obi an Twene Jonas TV na on share no kwe no. Where live stream the truth platform. And to your mama, Osiampanyini next time. Promise I will make you no brana bediso. Naija is say my bopa. Obi mra me face the all mind unim say amoba animguase na mobeje obi ani wo beba wo map so be wini maboa isi obe deport me how many days nie me da so e the warm up na brem back to back enti next time no Many more and come in or me obi so chen wa yen ko kan ntokwa.
Tira wadwen for mama e wo comment we ni nsem wa Twene Jonas abudwam wadwen ene say it's a good comment section e ho no mo aha Penyah Block Media akra